Welcome to Taughannock Falls State Park, located in the heart of New York's stunning Finger Lakes region. Home to the tallest free-falling waterfall in the northeastern United States, this park is a true natural wonder. Let's start our journey on the Gorge Trail. This 3/4-mile path is perfect for hikers of all levels and leads you directly to the base of the falls. Along the way, you'll hear the soothing sounds of Taughannock Creek as it guides you to one of the park's most breathtaking sights. At 215 feet tall, Taughannock Falls is a sight to behold. The power and beauty of the water cascading down the cliffs is truly awe-inspiring, almost 30 feet taller than Niagara Falls. After your hike, why not enjoy a picnic in one of the park's many designated areas? With plenty of picnic tables and pavilions, it's the perfect spot to relax with family and friends, surrounded by nature's beauty. For those who love the water, the park's marina on Cayuga Lake offers boat rentals, fishing, and even swimming opportunities. Imagine spending a peaceful day on the lake, with the stunning scenery of Taughannock Falls State Park as your backdrop. Want to extend your stay? The park has both tent and RV campsites, allowing you to fully immerse yourself in the natural surroundings. As night falls, gather around a campfire and enjoy the tranquility and beauty of the area. As the day comes to an end, take a moment to appreciate the serenity of Taughannock Falls State Park. The peaceful ambience, combined with the breathtaking scenery, makes this a perfect destination for nature lovers and adventurers alike. Thank you for joining us on this audio tour of Taughannock Falls State Park. We hope to see you soon, ready to explore and enjoy all that this beautiful park has to offer. Plan your visit today at parks.ny.gov. Taughannock Falls State Park, where nature's beauty awaits you.